When it comes to AI tools for content creation, two names that often come up are Writesonic and Frase. But which one is better for your content needs? Let's dive into a comparison of Writesonic versus Frase and see how they stack up, so you can decide which one works best for you. First off, Writesonic is well known for its ability to quickly generate content across a variety of formats: articles, ads, landing pages, and more. It's an excellent choice for anyone who needs to create content fast, with features that make it easy to spin up blog posts, social media copy, and even product descriptions. The interface is user-friendly, so you don't need to be a tech expert to use it effectively. Next thing to consider is Frase. This tool is tailored more for SEO-focused content creation, meaning it's great for writers who are looking to rank in search engines. It provides you with keyword research, SEO insights, and a content editor that helps optimize your work for Google. If SEO is a top priority for your content strategy, Frase shines here. But the question remains, is it as good for general content creation as Writesonic? Now, let's talk about the ease of use. Writesonic wins here in terms of sheer simplicity. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, you'll find it easy to generate content quickly. Frase, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve due to its focus on SEO and research. You'll likely need some time to fully understand how to leverage all its features effectively. Fourth thing to note is pricing. Writesonic offers a fairly straightforward pricing model with different plans based on the number of words you want to generate each month. This makes it a solid choice for businesses or individuals looking for an affordable option. Phrase's pricing can be a bit pricier, especially if you're looking for advanced features like AI writing and extensive SEO tools. However, it might justify the cost if SEO optimization is crucial to your strategy. Next thing is integrations. Writesonic integrates well with various platforms like Google Docs and WordPress, which makes it easy to incorporate your generated content directly into your workflow. Frase, while powerful in terms of SEO, doesn't offer as many integrations for general content creation. If you're looking for a tool that will seamlessly fit into your existing content process, Writesonic might have the edge here. The next point is content quality. Writesonic generates good content, but it's more suited for generating ideas or first drafts. It's not going to deliver a perfect finished piece every time, but it will give you a strong starting point. Frase, with its SEO insights and research tools, tends to generate more high-quality, optimized content, especially when it comes to longer-form articles or content that's meant to rank well on Google. Another thing to think about is customer support. Writesonic support is decent, but it's not as extensive as Phrase's. Frase provides more in-depth support with tutorials and resources to help you better understand the intricacies of SEO and AI-driven content creation. And finally, after trying both of these tools myself, I have to say they both have their strengths. But if you're looking for something that can really elevate your content and help you create high-quality, SEO-optimized content that ranks, I'd recommend looking into a better alternative. While Writesonic and Frase do a good job, there's one tool that takes content creation to the next level. If you want to experience that tool for yourself, check out the first link in the description below. Through that link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So if you want to make the most out of your content creation process, don't miss out on that offer.